Nothing is perfect, and Linux is no exception. However, the amazing operating system comes pretty darn close. Windows may prevail in the gaming arena for the time being, but other than that, Linux is king of the court. Here are 4 things Linux does better than Windows. We've all been right in the middle of something important, like a major assignment that's due in 5 minutes, only to... Hey, I was kind of in the middle of something right here. As if things weren't bad enough. Linux gets rid of that problem. Many Linux distros feature a little icon in the taskbar that will indicate available updates. Additionally, users may be reminded of the updates through a pop-up notification. However, because the package manager cannot operate without the user's consent, updates are only applied when you let them. Linux Mint, for example, features a System Reports app, which will notify the user of any problems with the computer and point them in the right direction to fixing it. Additionally, the platform comes with a driver manager, a built-in utility that searches for missing or broken drivers and installs the correct ones. Being very user-friendly and practically automatic, these simple tools keep the machine happy and healthy without getting in the way of the user's workflow. Scouring the internet to find exe files is an exhausting waste of time. Luckily, Linux comes with a built-in tool designed to find, install, remove, and even update software. This handy necessity is called the Package Manager. The Package Manager enables the user to easily control apps and games on their system through the command line or a graphical application. Every application you need is just a click away. It's kind of like the Google Play Store, but on your computer. Linux is incredibly customizable and flexible. From changing the look and feel of the desktop to modifying the kernel itself, literally anything can be changed. That's right, you can remove built-in apps, change the default applications, and even completely transform your computer. However, because the options are infinite, only simple and relevant modifications are accessible through the graphical settings manager, while the rest depends on your command line skills.